So now let us look at this question. Limit x tends to 2, x square minus 4 divided by x cube minus 4x square plus 4x. So how do we solve this question? So let us first do direct substitution. If you put x is equal to 2, you're getting 4 minus 4, 0. 8 plus 8 minus 16, 0. You're getting a 0 by 0 form. And the numerator is a polynomial. The denominator is also a polynomial. Hence, we can use our factorization method. So what we can do is, we can factorize x square minus 4 as x minus 2 into x plus 2. And if you put 2 in the denominator, you're getting 0 as the answer. So x minus 2 is a factor of denominator also. And what is the quotient which is remaining? That can be found out by dividing x cube minus 4x square plus 4x by x minus 2. So x minus 2 times x square is x cube minus 2x square. So x cube gets cancelled. Minus 2x square plus 4x. So x into minus 2x is equal to minus 2x square plus 4x. These two are getting cancelled. 0 is the remainder. Hence, the given denominator is equal to x minus 2 times x square minus 2x. So 1x minus 2 and x minus 2 is getting cancelled. So that is equal to limit x tends to 2, x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 divided by x times x minus 2. Now again, if you do the direct substitution, x plus 2 is tending to 4, x is tending to 2, and x minus 2 is tending to 0. Now you have a finite number by 0. Hence, the limit tends to infinity. Hence, say that the limit is not defined. Because as x tends to 2, x minus 2 might tend to 0 plus or 0 minus, depending on whether you're going to 2 plus or 2 minus. So in the right neighborhood, this will go to plus infinity. On the left neighborhood, it goes to minus infinity. Hence, we say that the limit is not defined.